Okay, so whether you're team sublimation oven or sublimation tumbler press, I am excited to be able to show you the first ever, like this is number one, sublimation oven from Swing Design. So I'm really excited about this, to be able to show you guys this, to unbox this with you. This oven has been in production, I would say, or R&D, I would say, for quite a while. I was actually really excited for Swing to bring this out, because this one is a 40 liter. It's the Sublimation oven, Pro Sub brand. It is supposed to be able to fit 10 20-ounce tumblers. So if you were to do 10 20-ounce tumblers on a tumbler press, I did the calculation, even though math is not my strong suit, it's 100 seconds each, which is like 1 2/3 of a minute, so like a minute 40. So if you were going to do 10 of them, it would be a minute 40 on every tumbler press, and you can do 10 at a time for like 5 to 7 minutes in an oven. So it seems like if you're doing lots of them, that an oven might be a really great option to add on. So let's see here. First, I need to get this thing open. I have not even seen this yet. Usually I at least cut through the tape and take a little sneaky peek. I have not done that for this one because I wanted to be just as surprised as you guys. Okay, so let's see what we have. Whoops, I'm going to need to put this upright like this. Oh boy. Okay, so comes with, first thing, it comes with a whole pack of supplies. So there's tape, there's a tumbler measuring tape. This is great. There is shrink wrap. So that's how you're getting the pressure. And then there's gloves, because when the tumblers come out, they're super hot, as you know, if you're used to using a press or a press. Let's see. Okay, so we got, oh my gosh, I'm only 5 feet tall. This is like not super easy, but I don't want the whole thing to all fall out. That's the instruction guide. I feel like it's like, I mean, it pretty much is like a toaster oven, right? One of the shelves. Okay. Still here. I'm gonna have to turn this sideways at some point in order to get this out. Let's just be really careful. Oh boy. It's upside down. Okay. Okay, well it's not super heavy, so that's good. Okay, so let's carefully flip this over. Love that it's white, goes with everything. Okay, let's see. Here we go. Okay, so let's see what we got. Oh, some tape. Keep the door closed. I'm really interested to see how big it is inside. Just like I said, it says it can fit 10 at a time. That's a lot. Okay. So we've got, let me come around to the side here. We've got hot air, set and save, time temp. You can probably set your own settings. Okay, so here we go. And that's what all of these racks are for. I'm gonna open this. I'm gonna come back around here so I don't have my back to you. And we've got the instruction guide. Let's see. User manual. Machine size. Oh, I love when they do this. It's in millimeters. So whoever would like to convert this for us, the machine size itself, and I will convert this, I'll put in the description, but on my, right here, I'm not gonna be able to do it. 407 millimeters by 567 millimeters by 377 millimeters. That means literally nothing to me. It probably means nothing to you. I would say it's about 1.5 feet by 16 inches. I mean, okay, and then it has description of how to use all these buttons on the front. This is completely all in English. It has operation guide, exactly step by step what to do. It also has selecting desired modes. So it has for like if you want to put a mug in there, you would do for 383 degrees Fahrenheit, 12 minutes. If you're doing a tumbler, this is recommending 356 degrees for 6 minutes. Okay, and then it's got other things for, I don't know why it says 12 minutes. Okay, you can, on this side it says ceramic mug, so I'll have to look through here. And then it has, if there has any alarms, what those mean. So pretty easy setup here. So, okay. All right, and then we'll have to see how these go in. There's multiple different racks. You could this down. I don't think I have any, I don't know if I have any 20-ounce tumblers. Let's see what I have available here. These are all 30-ounce, but let's see. So definitely enough room to, let's see how many we can fit in there. First, okay, 4. These kind of roll, so I don't know. I mean, you could definitely fit probably at least 8. It's, like I said, these are larger. These are not 20 ounce, which is what it said it would fit, but I have 7 in there and there's more room if you. Okay, so that's 7. I think I'm about out of tumblers. Let's see if I have any more that we can fit. Okay, so that's 5, that's 9. I don't know if I'd be able to fit, if I can fit one more. If you wanted them close together like that, I suppose you could fit 10 big ones in there too. But I am excited to try this out. If you guys are interested, there are 2 different packs that you can get with this. So you can just get the sublimation the sublimation oven with just like the grates and whatnot, or you can get it with, there's some that have blanks with it, there's some that has some extra accessories, different things that you are going to need. So I put all of the links to the description below. I obviously will be doing tutorials on how to use this, pros and cons versus a tumbler press. As I said, I think the big one is just going to be the fact that you can basically do this one in bulk. So you don't have to, you also don't have to turn them, which is what you have to do with a tumbler press, because you get that seam at the top. So where the tumbler press doesn't come completely together, you do have to turn it halfway through. So that's why you do 50 seconds and then turn it. And that's why you have to do 50 seconds times 2. But in here, you won't have to turn it because the whole thing is getting heat and pressure all simultaneously. And again, you can do multiple at a time. So we're going to take a look at all of that. If you guys are interested in this, again, descriptions for everything in the, or links for everything in the description below. I also will share, and I have shared, I have lots of different videos and playlists on multiple different types of sublimation printers, from Epson to Sawgrass to even Uninet. Their white toner printer can be subbed out. The toners can be subbed out for sublimation toner, so that is can also be used as a sublimation printer as well. All right, guys, see you soon.